Welcome again. We have calendar watch. If you see, it's not in perfect condition. Case is gunmetal. It only has description metal and serial number. Also this, and we have this nice movement, missing both wheels. Also this screw missing. I don't know what is condition of let's see, there's parts of crown mechanism, but I don't know what is condition of this. So if you see balance is broken. Balance seems to be broken. Yes, balance is broken. I have done research. It's very similar to the there's some markings there at bottom of watch. It's hard to see those markings. It's number 86 and it's kind of mark also extra. I have done written research. This seems very similar to calendar watches done by DITISHEIM. There is no markings visible which can I see exactly what name of and who made it.